If you have been using the Instagram app, you might have had the issues with audio quality on your Instagram videos, like muffled sound, low volume, or distorted audio. You're not alone. Today I'm going to show you how to fix the audio quality on your Instagram post so your videos sounds as good as they look. So let's dive right in. The number one step is to check your device microphone. Sometimes the issue lies in the microphone itself, especially if you are recording using your phone's built-in mic. Make sure you are not accidentally blocking the microphone while recording. If you are using your phone, it's easy to cover the mic with your hand. Hold the phone properly and make sure the mic is unobstructed. Step 2. Test the sound before posting. It's always a good idea to play your video back before hitting the share to ensure the sound is clear. Now choose the video just like this. Then add the audio just like this. Before sharing it, simply tap on the preview button and watch the video and listen to the audio. Make sure Instagram is up to date. If you are experiencing audio issues, only on Instagram an outdated version of the app could be causing the problem. Now simply go to the App Store and open the Instagram app, and if there is any update, you can simply update the app. Use the video editing apps to enhance your audio before posting. If your audio is still not up to par, you can improve it using editing apps like iMovie, Adobe Rush, or InShot. These apps allow you to adjust audio levels, remove background noise, and even add sound effects. And there you go, that's how you can fix poor audio quality on the Instagram videos and get your sound just right. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.